Note has always been the phone for people looking to get the most out of a phone. Today, we're taking Note further. Say hi to Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. Stainless steel and glass meld seamlessly to minimize bezel. S Pen turns writing to text, lets you share thoughts instantly, and with Bluetooth becomes your remote control. Inside Note 10, S Pen continuously charges, and with a 6-axis gyro sensor, offers touch-free gesture control. Our groundbreaking multi-camera system hasn't just brought movie technology to mobile, it's made it ridiculously simple to use. For the first time, Live Focus brings special effects to video. Our depth vision camera means you can adjust the blur, and your videos will look just as amazing as your photos. And to make high-motion video every bit as epic, we've introduced advanced super steady technology that takes away the shakes at the touch of a button. The result? A super smooth video every time. With S Pen and Video Editor, you can edit your videos with the precision of a professional movie editor. Note 10 takes memory to new levels, with storage expandable up to 1 terabyte. That's laptop storage without the laptop. Our powerful 7nm processor and 12 GB RAM combined with our hyper-fast 5G chip. So you can download files, live game, and stream content at unbelievable speeds, anywhere. Cutting-edge battery intelligence ensures our 4,300 mAh battery outlasts your day. And if you need a boost, super fast charging gives you all-day power from a 30-minute charge. Why carry a computer? With just a single USB cable, you can plug into your PC or Mac, and Samsung DeX will give you a seamless, desktop-like experience. At the same time, what's your business will always remain your business, thanks to our proprietary next-level security. Security baked in at every level to protect what's yours. And your recent files will sync to desktop, thanks to our new Microsoft partnership. Link to Windows gives you PC mobile continuity, so your computer recognizes Note 10, providing instant access to your mobile content via desktop, while the revolutionized Android interface simplifies your on-screen experience. And with a single voice prompt, "Hi Bixby, movie mode," Bixby AI will perform lists of tasks, automatically changing settings for you. Note's screen has always led the way. Note's dynamic AMOLED display cuts harmful blue light by 40% without distorting color. Composed of organic pixel materials to lessen eye strain, it will never be your screen that keeps you up at night. With Galaxy Note, we haven't just made a new smartphone. Introducing next-level power, Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus.
Hey, my name is Roy Choi. I'm an entrepreneur, restaurateur, chef, taco vendor. Found myself at the intersection of technology and food over a decade ago. And right now the city is my office. I'm on my way. And so I run everything, my whole life off of my phone and my watch. And this new Galaxy Watch Active 2 is something that keeps me grounded and focused and really helps me run my day. What I love the fact that it tracks my health. You know, I really care about my health. And so I walk like 5-6 miles a day. It bumps my wrist and says, you can do it, you know, talks to me, you know. When you don't have many friends and your watch talks to you, like, oh, it's pretty cool. Galaxy Watch Active 2's best design is the fact that it's simple, slim, and powerful, just like me. Wearing this watch since the first edition. What's happened is they've slimmed everything down. They've made the band a lot more interchangeable. I can move from like nighttime to work time to fancy to everyday. Again, they got rid of the bezel. Now the bezel is all sensory. You can change the watch face and customize it to your own. So, I mean, it just keeps getting better every single rendition. I run 5 businesses off my watch and my phone. Yeah, I just don't need anything else. And then I don't try to flex like, you know, with this huge office with all this stuff. Just keep it real tight, and then everything else you...
Stop that music. Now play my favorite song.
A few months ago, Samsung announced the Galaxy Tab S5e, an upper mid-range tablet. Following its launch, we presumed the main flagship tablet for the year would arrive as the Galaxy Tab S5, a direct successor to last year's Galaxy Tab S4. That was the belief we held until a few weeks ago, when it was revealed that, rather than launch as the Galaxy Tab S5, it will launch as the Galaxy Tab S6. Live photos and specifications of the upcoming tablet surfaced a little over a week ago. It has now been followed by press renders of the tablet, which is expected to launch in August. The renders, which were first made public by Android Headlines, show the Galaxy Tab S6 will come in 3 colors, blue, gray, and rose gold. The tablet will have equal-sized bezels around its Super AMOLED display. When held in portrait mode, the Tab S6 has 2 speakers, and a USB Type-C port on the bottom, and 2 speakers at the top for a quad speaker system. The speakers are of course tuned by AKG. On the right side of the frame are the power volume rocker, and a micro SD card tray, and/or SIM tray. The left side is home to a set of connector pins, for an external keyboard. The tablet will have a groove on the back, where the redesigned S Pen will attach to magnetically, when not in use, and also to charge. This groove sits directly below vertically arranged dual cameras. Surprisingly, there is no LED flash this time around. There are reports that the flagship tablet will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner, but none of the renders show that. There is a sensor under the display. The bezels also do not seem to house an iris face unlock system, just like its predecessor, but they also do not show the front-facing camera too, and we know Samsung won't skip that. So there is likely an iris scanner, but the renders just aren't showing it. The Galaxy Tab S6 will have a Snapdragon 855 processor, and should come in multiple configurations. The display is said to be 10.5 inches, just like its predecessors. It has also been reported to have an 8MP selfie camera, and 13MP plus 5MP dual rear cameras. It should run Android Pie out of the box, and support Samsung DeX. Its price is unknown at the moment. There is also no evidence it will be announced alongside the Galaxy Note 10 series. The Tab S4 launched before the Galaxy Note 9, so the same may happen again this year. Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys, see you guys next one.